So today we're going to be removing this light bar. We're planning on getting these amber lights smoked, so I'm going to take you through the process of removing that, taking it all apart, and removing these covers. So first step is we're going to remove these covers on the back setting. That's going to allow us to have access to the wiring harness that runs through these, so we can pull that out. So now that we have this removed, we're going to go ahead and remove this rubber grommet. That's going to allow us to access all of the connectors for the light bar and the headlight. Unplug those, feed those out. So now that we've got all the connectors disconnected, there's going to be two Allen bolts right underneath. We're going to go ahead and undo those. The light bar is going to come right off. So now that we've got the light bar off, we've got 4 torque screws. They're going to be on the bottom of this. We're going to go ahead and remove those. It's going to give us access to these amber lights. So now that we've got the cover off, there's going to be another torque screw here and here. We're going to go ahead and take those off. It's going to allow us to remove these lights.